Hello and welcome to our channel, where we proudly feature the coolest and most innovative tools in the industry. Are you all prepared? Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the captivating world of cutting-edge tools together. Presenting our revolutionary 18V LXT brushless impact driver, a powerhouse of a tool that redefines performance standards with its exceptional features. The 4-speed power selection enables precise fastening control, allowing you to tackle various tasks. The wood mode feature ensures a slow start and finishes at a predetermined maximum speed. For effortless bolt loosening, the bolt mode automatically stops once fully loosened. With T mode, you can prevent over-tightening on thin and thick metal, providing protection and accuracy. The brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery and extended life. This impact driver is engineered to perfection, delivering optimal performance. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and maneuverability. Additionally, the built-in LED lights illuminate your work area, enabling you to work in low-light conditions with precision and clarity. Introducing the new measurement tool, designed to offer comfort and convenience. With its unique features, you can now obtain accurate measurements even when viewed from above. The instrument boasts exceptional visibility, allowing both bubbles to be easily seen, even from acute angles. Additionally, it comes equipped with variable distance marks, enabling precise measurements for up to 4 flush boxes. Experience the ease of use with this measurement tool. Introducing our innovative wire stripper, featuring a locking mechanism, it securely locks, maximizing storage space and ensuring compact organization. The optical length scale allows for precise and accurate stripping, guaranteeing clean and professional results. The Step 1 involves stripping the outer insulation. With step-by-step instructions, it simplifies the process. The Step 2 effortlessly removes the inner conductor. Plus, the built-in side cutter, easily accessible, handles cables up to 8 mm in diameter, making it a versatile tool for various cable cutting needs. Experience enhanced comfort and convenience with our wire stripper, equipped with a rubber grip and a wiring guide for effortless operation. Built to last, its heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability. The wire stripper cuts with precision using durable heat-treated blades, ensuring clean and accurate results. Save valuable time and effort with our wire stripper, designed for quick and efficient stripping, ensuring quick and efficient stripping for optimal results in just a couple of seconds. Experience versatility for a wide range of applications with our wire stripper, as it seamlessly works with both pass-through and standard connectors. With its trim flush feature, it eliminates contact between conductors by trimming the end face. Additionally, the wire stripper excels in crimping Cat 5e and Cat 6 cables. The Fluke 378, equipped with FieldSense technology, automatically calculates and displays phase rotation, ensuring faster and safer testing with its true RMS clamp meter functionality, all without contacting a live conductor. You get accurate voltage and current measurements through the clamp jaw. Simply clip the black test lead to any electrical ground, put the clamp jaw around the conductor and see reliable, accurate voltage and current values on the display. The clamp meter includes a unique PQ function that senses power quality issues automatically. When making FieldSense measurements, the clamp meter will detect and display power quality issues relating to current, voltage, power factor, or any combination of the three. Now you can quickly determine if an upstream supply problem exists, or if there is a downstream equipment problem. Simplify your work. No more handwritten notes with the Fluke 378 FC clamp meter, ensuring ease and efficiency. Wiha Slim Bits are designed to provide excellent grip and a slim handle for comfortable use. The extra-long rotating cap guarantees optimal feeding for enhanced performance. Every individual tool undergoes rigorous testing at 10,000 VAC and is certified for safe usage at 1,000 VAC, featuring a convenient holder for easy hanging or standing placement for ease of use and increased efficiency. Introducing our versatile wire stripper, capable of stripping all common round cables with diameters ranging from 4 to 28 mm. Strip with confidence using the tool, as it ensures damage-free stripping while protecting the integrity. Adding to its functionality, the wire stripper comes with an additional hook blade that can be smoothly extended or retracted and securely locked in both positions. Streamline the cable stripping process into a single working step with the inner swivel blade of our wire stripper, enabling automatic round and length cuts with ease and efficiency. Discover unparalleled convenience and efficiency with our wire stripper, perfectly suited for all your cable stripping requirements. Experience the next level of cleaning convenience with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Wet and Dry Vacuum, a cutting-edge cordless tool that redefines cleaning tasks within its category, delivering unmatched performance and convenience. Enjoy the exceptional power of the Milwaukee Vacuum as it offers up to 40% more suction than its 18V competitors, ensuring efficient cleaning. Equipped with the advanced PowerState brushless motor, the vacuum generates an impressive airflow of up to 45 CFM and provides a powerful suction of 42 inches, guaranteeing efficient and effective cleaning, delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Experience a quieter cleaning with the Milwaukee Vacuum, offering up to 2x quieter performance. This compact vacuum is perfect for service cleanup needs, offering 14 minutes of high runtime and 26 minutes on the low setting. Introducing our ATEX certified voltage tester, a cutting-edge tool specifically engineered for swift and contactless voltage testing, guaranteeing accurate measurements with exceptional efficiency, speed, and user-friendly operation. Discover lightning-fast voltage testing thanks to the contactless measuring technology incorporated in our innovative voltage tester. Our advanced voltage tester effortlessly covers an extensive voltage range, spanning from 12 to 1000 VAC, providing comprehensive testing capabilities for various electrical systems. Equipped with an integrated LED flashlight, our voltage tester ensures optimal visibility. Our voltage tester is universally compatible with sockets worldwide, thanks to its measurement tip tailored for international usage. This feature allows for seamless testing across different electrical systems globally. Our wire stripper is designed to facilitate stripping in hard-to-reach areas, including installation sockets, ensuring convenience and precision. Achieve consistent, fast, and precise stripping with ease, thanks to the integrated length stop featured in our wire stripper. The automatic adjustment of the cutting depth allows for stripping of all standard cross-sections effortlessly ranging from 6 to 13 millimeters. Additionally, the wire stripper features a locking mechanism for secure and space-saving, ensuring an organized storage. Thanks to the ergonomic handle shape, fits perfectly into your hand. If you like my video, please support my channel by clicking the like button and also subscribing. To stay updated with my new videos, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.